crazy simple tricks to double your open rates. One of the hardest obstacles that email marketers face when they get started is increasing their open rates. It usually takes them lots of trial and error before they get it right, which means that they have to invest a lot of time and money into it. To help you avoid that grind, we have created this video, where we are going to teach you the tricks that have helped us to double our open rates. Use curiosity-inducing subject lines. Tease your recipients with mysterious subject lines that do not reveal the exact benefit of your content, but that point to a vague part of the overall benefit. Curiosity-inducing headlines tend to be very effective when they're written as questions. Two examples of curiosity-inducing headlines promoting our own business include 10 ways to start killing your diabetes with food, the secret to a healthier life, free report inside. State a direct benefit in your subject lines. Subject lines that state a direct benefit are also a great way to double your open rates as long as you use them on emails that you send to ready-to-buy audience segments. To give you an example, if you were going to send an email to promote your social media marketing services to qualified leads, you could use subject lines such as, "Double your traffic today for only $5. Let us create your social media campaign for cheap." Induce a sense of scarcity in your subject lines. Subject lines that promote time-sensitive or limited quantity offers, promotions, or events induce a feeling of scarcity that prompts recipients to act right when they read them in response to the feeling of missing out. We can use scarcity-themed variations of our previous direct benefit sample subject lines as examples. Double your traffic today for $5. Today only. Let us create your social media campaigns for free. Today only. Use case studies as subject lines. One of the most effective ways to make people want to try something is to show them good results or social proof. You can apply this strategy in your marketing emails to improve your open rates by using case studies as your subject lines. Now, to apply this strategy, you will either need to use a real case study from one of your customers or to use an example case study from a competitor. The good news is that either option will have its own benefits. Using your own case study will tell your recipients that your offer is in fact real, and that you can help them to get the benefits that they want to get by using your product or service. On the other hand, using a competitor's case study will help you to improve your open rates because your recipients will be persuaded to open the email based on the competitor's name in your headline. So, the more popular your competitor, the better. Here are two examples of how we crafted case study subject lines for our mail campaigns. Using our own case study in the subject line. Learn how we helped a mom take charge of her health with content. Using a competitor's case study in the subject line. Learn how the American Diabetes Association is stopping diabetes with content. Send your emails late in the morning or in the afternoon. 80% of people open up their email inboxes from their smartphones first thing in the morning, but not to read one email after another, but mostly to delete the ones that they don't plan to read later on, while also forgetting to later check the ones that they don't delete. That is why we recommend you to send your emails later in the morning or in the afternoon, which are the times when most people will check their inboxes to open and read recently received emails. Include an actionable emoji in your subject lines. Adding emojis to subject lines has become a trend in itself, with varying degrees of success. What has really worked, though, is adding actionable emojis to subject lines. Actionable emojis include play buttons, record buttons, green checks, and tick checkboxes. The trick is to add one or two of the same type, one at the beginning and one at the end of the subject line. Personalize your subject lines. We have made a point of repeating this tactic as much as necessary throughout the run of this video course, and we're going to give it a spin once again. Personalize your subject lines not only by adding the recipient's name to them, but also by leveraging segmentation. To give you an example, if we were going to send a specific email to an audience segment of people who like to buy at budget prices in bulk, we could write a subject line that reads, "Claire, this is the best bang for your buck that we have found this week." And that is it. Apply these simple strategies in your new campaigns and watch your open rates soar in no time.